You work for money every day. But here's a strange question most people never ask. When do you actually pay yourself? Not your landlord, not your credit card, not your car payment. You. Because for most people, the answer is uncomfortable. They don't. And the strange part is that many of these people are hardworking, responsible, and ambitious. They're doing everything society told them to do. Build a career, earn more money, stay busy. But even with those things in place, their financial life still feels strangely fragile. They earn money, then they immediately start paying everyone else. Bills, subscriptions, rent, food, debt. And whatever happens to be left at the end of the month, that's what they try to save. But almost nothing is left. And if you've ever felt like your income disappears faster than it arrives, you're not alone. Many people experience this without realizing there's a structural reason behind it. And this is exactly why one simple rule has quietly built wealth for generations. It's called the pay yourself first rule. And if you understand this rule early enough, it can completely change your financial future. Let's simplify money today. Most people treat saving like an afterthought. They spend first, then they try to save whatever remains. But the truth is simple. What comes last rarely survives. Because life has a way of filling every financial gap. A slightly higher grocery bill, an unexpected repair, a spontaneous purchase. Suddenly the money that was supposed to be saved disappears. And months go by, sometimes years, without real financial progress. The pay yourself first rule flips this entire system. Instead of saving what's left after spending, you save before spending begins. Before the bills, before the lifestyle, before the upgrades. You take a portion of your income and move it directly toward your future. Automatically, immediately, without asking permission from your spending habits. And something subtle but powerful happens when this shift occurs. Your future stops competing with your present spending. It becomes protected. Because here's something most people slowly realize about money. If saving requires constant discipline, it usually fails. But if saving becomes automatic, it quietly succeeds. That's why many wealthy people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Systems that move money before emotions get involved. For example, imagine someone earning $4,000 per month. Instead of waiting to see what's left, they immediately send 10%, $400, into investments or savings. Now their real spending budget isn't $4,000. It's $3,600. And something powerful happens when this becomes a habit. Your life adjusts, your spending adapts, and your wealth begins growing quietly in the background. At first it feels small, almost invisible, but over time, something incredible begins to happen. That money starts compounding, year after year, while you work, while you sleep, while you simply live your life. And eventually you reach a moment most people never experience. Your income is no longer only supporting your lifestyle, it's building your freedom. Because the truth about wealth is surprisingly simple. Wealth doesn't grow from what you earn. It grows from what you keep. And the pay yourself first rule ensures one thing. No matter what happens, your future always gets paid first. Here, money works for you. And once you understand this rule, you stop hoping to build wealth. You start designing it.